This is the Watercolor Trip to Italy painting book by Vitaly Detz and Andrei Gerasimiuk. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It's a paint book, so basically you can paint directly into the book. What I really like about this is that it has instructions step by step. So you see here, instructions step by step, and it does layer by layer, step 1, step 2, step 3. These are the different layers, and takes you through each of these phases so that you can create your own watercolor. So there's two pre-drawn watercolor illustrations so you can paint. I've gone through and did one of each of them. I really like these little Italian scenes and different techniques that I'm taking through in this book. I really liked just using the wax paraffin and creating texture, learning how to do reflections with the boat scene, and see the texture with some of the paraffin. And you can use this QR code to see the geolocation, so where this photo was taken, which is kind of neat. And yeah, I really enjoyed painting all of these different paintings here. Some fun scenes, travel through Italy with this little paint book while you're learning on your watercolor journey. This one too, I used some masking fluid to do some of the white, and also some white paint, I think I might have used. Masking fluid for the reflections. Didn't know how to do water reflections before that, and starting to get the hang of how to do the different textures. So this one doesn't even have any instructions. Tried it on my own, turned out okay. And some finer details. And I really enjoyed this, and I'm gonna go back and do all of the rest. Get a second chance to do all of the different watercolor images. So if you want to paint some watercolor scenes of Italy, I think this is a really great book. Handy, you don't have to think about what am I gonna paint. You just take out your paints, brushes, and the paraffin, some masking fluid, and you're ready to go.